Hi folks, looking back, there was a time when the concept of fundamental analysis frightened me. As a new trading in the markets, I used to actively avoid anything to do with fundamental analysis and focus purely on the technicals. It felt like going back to school again with the heavy reading and huge amounts of time injected into understanding fundamentals, sucking the fun out of trading. After being on the wrong side of the trade following the US jobs report, this made me look into fundamentals more when trading with the goal of having a bird's eye view. Please stay tuned as we talk about fundamental analysis and my biggest lessons from this method of trading the markets. So the first question, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is the study of economic, social, as well as political forces that affect the supply and demand of a financial asset, and the risks that influence its prices. These forces can be anything from interest rates, employment rate, gross domestic product, international trade, among many other factors. In regards to stocks, fundamental analysis involves using a variety of information about a company to estimate its actual or intrinsic value to be able to make an informed investment decision. In share trading, intrinsic value can refer to the true value of a company as perceived by traders or investors. It uses a calculation of the asset's value without factoring the market value or sentiment. Essentially, financial statements, industry trends, and market releases are analysed to see if an asset is under or overvalued. Who is fundamental analysis for? Just to make things clear, fundamental analysis is most often used when determining the quality of long-term investments in a wide array of securities and markets, while technical analysis is used more in the review of short-term decisions such as the active trading of financial markets. Anyone could use fundamental analysis, but this is more a tool for intermediate and seasoned traders who may be looking at longer time frames. Naturally, because fundamental analysis requires much information, it is labeled as difficult. However, with the right amount of time and dedication, this is a method of analysis that is open to everyone. Why use fundamental analysis? If you want to understand why prices move, gain insight into the overall state of the market or a specific financial instrument as compared to others, then this is a reason to use fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis helps traders and investors gather key information to make logical decisions about what positions to take. When to use fundamental analysis? Well, one of the best ways to use fundamental analysis in trading is the economic calendar. It includes the most important news that can influence the direction of price movements. For example, we know that indicators are going to be published today, but we don't know the exact values. Based on this information, a trader can enter a specific market or keep away until the news is published. Another way to use fundamental analysis may be to understand the longer-term direction of a financial asset. For example, if the economic fundamentals of country A are strong and the country's central bank is signaling to raise interest rates, this could boost the currency's value higher in the longer term. Where to use fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis can be applied to most financial instruments including currencies, commodities, indexes, and individual stocks. So what are my biggest lessons from fundamental analysis? Well, I've seen that it remains an excellent tool in gaining insight and understanding why prices move. It offers a longer-term view, clarity over the bigger picture, and where economic reports will be released. With fundamental analysis, a trader may have more awareness of the macroeconomic and political factors that could be influencing a particular market or financial instrument. This knowledge could be handy, especially when employing technical analysis. If the financial markets were a hunting ground and the traders were the bird of prey, then the fundamental analysis will determine how far and easy the hawk can find its meal. Technical analysis will determine how sharp the claws are and efficient the hawk is at catching its prey. Make sure to keep an eye for our next video focusing on fundamental versus technical analysis. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all things markets. Until next time, thank you.